Here's the issue. I have a wall outlet that is not working. I have a night light plugged in that I know works, and it's not lit up. So why do I have no power? I'm in a utility room, so I must think to myself, this might be on a GFCI circuit. GFCI, ground fault current interrupt. So what you do in this case, you look around the room, and is there a GFCI outlet nearby? And yes, there is, right behind the washing machine. And look, the little light is on, saying the circuit is tripped. You'll see two buttons on the outlet. One is test, and the other is reset. This reset button has to be pushed really far in, and you'll hear it click. The light goes out, and we go over to our dead outlet, and it is no longer dead. It's not always obvious where the GFCI outlet is. I had a house that had power on the front porch that came from a GFCI outlet that was in a nearby bathroom. So if the outlet on the front porch didn't work, you had to go inside the house to the bathroom and reset the outlet like we just described. So just because you can't see the GFCI outlet doesn't mean that the circuit is not protected. By code, your outdoor outlets should be protected. Outlets that are within, I think it's 6 feet of a sink or a washing machine. So if it's an outdoor outlet, or if it's in a utility room or in your bathroom and it's dead, look for the GFCI circuit. Hi, this is Hank. If you enjoyed the video you just watched, please go on over to YouTube and hit like and subscribe. We appreciate your support.